fighting some lucky bass. And this one took up the line while I wasn't it. Welcome back to another one, guys. We out here again. We're about to do some bass fishing in this pond at the side of the road. You know how I do it. Saw this pond, been thinking about stopping, and I feel like today's the right day. I see a lot of small fish and bass swimming around, small bass, so that's a good sign. That's a real good sign. So I'm gonna get set up real quick. I'm gonna do a little worm fishing today as well. So you guys stick around. Let's see what's up. So, very first cast. I wanna make sure that you guys are seeing the very first cast, and I'm gonna put it over this side. Here we go. Lost my first bait. You know what? I'm gonna get the worm line set up. Alright guys. Quick little fun fact that I noticed. A lot of people when they are worm fishing, they tend to kill the worms. I'm gonna show you how I put my worm on. Trying not to kill the worm. So I'm using some red worms. When I'm using red worms, I'll hook the red worm like this. One time and another time. Now when you have the worm live, it is way more attractive. And being that these worms are so small, another thing that I'll do is I'll hook two. And the other one I'll just hook him one time. So when it's out there, it's moving. I have a little piece of float. So I'm gonna throw this out there now and see if anything is biting on the worms. Now with that out there, I can go back bass fishing. Always try to keep your worms out of the sun. The sun will kill the worms. was a little one. I didn't even bother to fight him. By the look of things, I think there are some big ones in there. So, let's see what happens. Ain't nothing going on for my homemade bobber. No worm eaters out there. Think I need to get on the other side some way, somehow. I really think I should get on the other side. Alright, I think we got something, we got something on the bobber. We got a little sunfish, very little one. Too big for bass fishing right now. If I had my other pole, then I would definitely use him as a bait. Like I said, I think at some point I'm gonna try to get on the other side. See if I can get a couple throws on that side. But there's something going on right in front of me. And I wanna know what it is. And I got it. I got him too, I got him. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, and it's a small one. Small bass. Messing around. Beautiful. See you later. Yo, holy shit. Yo, I saw a bass. No, that's a bass. That's a freaking bass. That freaking bass was huge. So guys, I'm gonna find a way to change my spot. Right here is kind of limiting me. So I'm gonna find a way to go to a new spot. I wanna go on the other side. Alright guys, we're at a new spot. First thing I'm gonna do is put another worm on my bait and throw it out. Alright. So that's a nice throw. Now, see if I can catch some bass. did see a few moving around here. See if they're doing anything. Doing anything fun. Whoa, whoa, don't jump. And he spit it right out. He spit it right out. The first fish I caught spit it out. Can you believe that? And it was a nice one. I'm getting deep, guys. Two bass hit my line, and then nothing more. And they're out there. I know they're out there. I see them out there. They're passing by me. Now I have a nasty knot on my line. That's no fun. Fish. Fish, guys. Fish, guys. Not big, but it's alright. And it feels pretty big too. It's a good size. Get out of the damn grass. It's a good size. It's a good size. Even brought in a lot of trash. Just as I was about to start cussing this pond out for being mean to me, I got a nice one. First one. Going in the bag. Alright guys, so we caught the first one. Let's see if it's the start of many. Is that the one and only, or one of many? Let's go, bass, let's go. Big snappers. Largemouth bass, where you at? Calling all bass, calling all bass. All largemouth bass. largemouth bass. Where you at? Report. All largemouth bass report. Largemouth bass report. Report. Yeah, yeah. Fish. 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 Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Oh yeah. Good fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Largemouth bass report. All right. We have the second one. We have the second one. See, sometimes you have to just call them out. Largemouth bass, come on, report. Second one, going in the bag. And I know there's more, a lot more. Only if I could get more around the edges. I know that's where they be hiding, I know it. Once you can keep getting close to the edge, we go get some fish. Guaranteed. Let's see if I can get down there again. I know there's something on this side too. Can't really get around here like I want to. Oh yeah, that's a nice throw. And I got a fish. And I got a fish. I know it. I know it. I can't even get the camera to find this one. Ooh, can't play with this one, can't play with this one. Can't afford to let it get off. Don't feel too big, but feels like a keeper. Let us see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I found another one. They're biting now. Oh yeah. They're really biting now, guys. They're really biting now. Got hooked properly too. He wasn't getting away. He wasn't going nowhere. So there we go. Another one for the bag. There was some huge splash right beside me a while ago. I missed that. Yo, the fish out there just jumping. Let me see if I can catch him jump one time. There you go, there you go. There you go. Alright guys, so we are back to where we started for the final chapter. Yep. Ooh, how the fuck he got the yo? Damn, man. I know there's something out there and I still fuck around and let it go. Alright, so this is the focus. This is the focus for the rest of the afternoon. Fighting some lucky bass. And this one took out the line while I wasn't I wasn't even ready. I wasn't even fishing. Yeah. Come on. What the fuck? So, I'm gonna make another stop before it gets dark. So I'll see you at the other spot. Alright guys, so it was very dark when I got to the other spot that I was talking about, so I didn't stop. So now I'm home. I'm just gonna clean these fish real quick, put them on the fridge. So no catch and cook today, but it's in the making. We got 3 nice ones, about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds, well, probably about 2.5 pounds looking at it and feeling it. Nice largemouth bass, real nice largemouth. Yeah, probably about 2 pounds. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Those of you who have not subscribed as yet, the door is always open. You are welcome to join the family. Learn to do stuff Cardo's way. And we'll be doing hunting, fishing, and a lot of other do-it-yourself activities. I don't know why this cat is so curious to come beside my bass, but alright, so see you guys on the next episode.